This renovation project is located at the Radiology Department of Davao Doctors Hospital. The space is about 39.88 square meters. Basically, we kept the original layout of the reading room. In here, they have a foyer, doctor's quarters with an ensuite shower room, a powder room, computer area, and an addition of a mini conference area where they can have their meetings. Working in a hospital comes with a lot of restrictions, so we had to comply and adjust the design, but still retaining the goal of a modern and professional interior. The office had blue flooring, however, we weren't allowed to change it, so we just repainted the walls into dark gray and almond to give it some warmth. The doors were in a cherry wood shade, which was kind of too red for the room, but we were asked to retain them. One of the few problems I need to solve are the lack of storage space for shoes and their pantry items. The organization of items on the shelves need to be decluttered too. The shower area had the same blue walls as the rest of the rooms, and the tiles were a bit faded already. The tiles in the powder room contained somehow like harp print, and some parts were mismatched and broken. So after 6 days of construction, we were already able to finally transform the old reading room into a more masculine and modern interior. The foyer became more spacious just by putting together two existing bookshelves side by side, creating a semi-partition between the entrance and the conference area. We also provided a shoe cabinet, and at the same time, it creates a sanitation area for those who enter and leave the room. And then a mirror is placed beside it to make the foyer look wider. The presence of dried flowers adds fragrance and kind of helps tone down the very masculine and hard finishes in the space. The bookshelves were decluttered, the handles were painted in gold, and the users decided to add framed photos of them to have a sense of character. So it kinda ended up like a small gallery, which was really smart. A small waiting area was also allotted in the corner for the staff who sends reports to the residents and consultants. This clock serves as an accent statement on this wall and also tells the time because the room has no windows. We had the powder room tiles repainted and we were amazed because it looks brand new again. We also added a round mirror and black ledges to give a sleek and cohesive look. A touch of gold accents in the accessories and lighting also gives off a bit of luxury in the space. Metal grid baskets, which contain their toiletry supplies, were placed on the ledges above the toilet. So as you notice, there are no windows in this room, so artificial lighting was pretty much used in everything. Lighting is essential in the reading room, especially because the doctors and residents need a dim atmosphere because they use the computers all day to read ultrasounds, CT scans, and x-rays. They need dim, ambient, and task lighting for this room. And then we had the bulbs changed into tricolor bulbs depending on their tasks. We provided a 5-seater round table for the mini conference area. The glass tabletop gives off some contrast to all the other solid and opaque materials, thus maintaining a spacious look. We also matched the center lights with the one in the powder room. Gray Scandinavian styled plates really go well with the cabinets and the furniture. We had customized a pantry/buffet cabinet where the appliances fit perfectly like a glove and contained in one area. We went with seamless cabinet doors and slow closing mechanisms to minimize loud sounds. The overall finish was intended to be smooth and solid to highlight the fluted wall panels behind it. Each end of the wall panels have a clean black tubular wall lamp to accentuate the ambient lighting. The doctor's quarters had an existing black double-deck bed, so we just paired it with achromatic pieces. The wall art reflects the image of the city, which was kind of intended to bring the outside inside. The ensuite shower room drastically changed the most just by adding an accent wall tile and repainting the walls and tiles into white. We also matched the soap and shampoo pump bottles with the ones in the powder room. All in all, I really enjoyed this renovation project and how fast it was built. I hope that the users of this space are happy and can claim this as a great office to work at. For more interior design episodes, please tune in to my IGTV.